start telling lies. Baby work, gon' bust a wide.
Hey, it's your girl Brittina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys my wash and go routine. I'll basically be showing you guys the products I use and how I apply it in order to get this. And right before we start, please make sure that you subscribe if you're not already, and also click the little bell button to be updated when I upload a video. Okay, let's get right into the video. I'm gonna start with the Curls Leave-In Conditioner from the Blueberry Bliss line. And I'm gonna finger comb it throughout my hair to distribute the product evenly. Make sure that you focus on your end since it's the most oldest and driest part of your hair. And the second step is a control jelly from the same Blueberry Bliss line. Now I'm going to finger coil a few strands of my hair so my hair won't be too stringy and the curls will look more together. Last but not least is the Blueberry Bliss Control Paste, just to push my edges back and to make my hair a bit more shinier. You've reached the end of this video and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and drop some comments down below. And also share my channel with your friends. Catch you in my next video.
When that hate don't work, they start telling lies.